Hi guys, it's me, Sunshine of Physics 6. Now, if you want to make the sun, wait, let me move it. So first of all, go to circle, just do this. Oh, that's way too big, so we're going to shrink it. And if we don't like this part, just do shrink, just do this and then it will disappear. Do this, and then you leave it alone. Press it double times quickly. Choose yellow. Put edge blur infinite. Okay, if it says this, it's infinite. Remove all of this, or maybe you can just press ES key. Next, we're gonna make Jupiter. The reason why we are making Jupiter is because it was the first planet formed. So Jupiter is much larger in size than it was before. So press again double times as quick as you can. Go to orange there and just go right there. Want to make Jupiter stripes? Go to cutting and do this. Shoot. I can't move on that planet. Okay. Let's just press a random thing. Now we can do it. Now that's drawing. Cutting. You just do this. Do this. You just do this. And this. And this. Then that. The reason I'm not very good is like it's because I'm not very good. Now let's just start that again. We go there and that. Then we do that. Do that. Press it double times quick. Put it in the middle. Yeah, there we go. Then we just press it. Then we do one more stripe. Now we had to start that again. We don't want only one line. So let's start one more time. Please viewers, can you keep watching? Even though it's so bad, please keep watching. Even though it's tricky, please keep watching. Put it in the middle again. Make sure it's the same color. And if you want it touching Jupiter, do this. Now guys, thinking of Jupiter's spot, we're gonna do it. So we go to cut, and then we do this. Okay. Oh, that's my kid. That is my kid. Because I'm now 18. Okay. Spot. Jupiter is compared to this. Jupiter is like Jupiter actually looks like a blueberry compared to the sun, and the sun looks like a sand compared to a scooty or Stevenson 2/18. I spelled wrong in like we play stars. So we want to make another one which is called Saturn. It was the second planet to form after Jupiter. We better expand it. Actually, we're gonna make Saturn like this, and then smaller. Let's see it's the same size as Jupiter. We don't want the same size as Jupiter. Jupiter is like 3 times as big as Saturn. Where's Saturn over there? Now, go to appearance. Go keep as red and do this. Get the Saturn color. The rings. Yeah, keep it 5.0. I could remove that. Keep it 5.0. Don't tell me it's not connected Saturn. Please don't tell me it's connected Saturn. Okay, else I'll get mad. If it's connected to Saturn, I'm so mad. No. Green. And it's connected to Saturn. Yes, we don't want that. Then we better be like, put a random ball in here. Put it the color light blue. Then we erase that thing. Then we can go back to drawing. Yay, it's black. It's now black. Say hooray. Okay, we made Saturn. Uranus, we're doing you now. Oof. You might need to expand that a little. For Neptune. Yeah, let's expand that a little for Neptune. Yeah. Neptune's gonna be much more far than that. Yeah, about there. That's Neptune's place. To do Uranus. Ta-da. And then da-da. We made Uranus. I'm gonna make it as shiny as I can. Time for Neptune. Wait, it has to be a little bit bigger or smaller than Uranus. Yeah. Its real size is smaller than Uranus. Some people actually think that Neptune is bigger. Actually, Uranus is bigger. Yeah. In fact, Uranus is bigger. Neptune is a dark blue color. We won't be doing Planet 9 since we haven't discovered it yet. Sorry guys, we aren't doing Planet 9. And by the way, you're gonna look on my other solar system. That I made a solar system. No wait, we need to do our inner planets. First of all, we're gonna make Earth, since it's the first in a rocky planet to form. Appearance, go to this guy. And we need to expand the Earth. Just a tiny bit. Go to cuts. Wait, actually do this first. Don't act like you don't want to see the white lines. First of all, I'm just gonna draw this. Then we just turn it green. Green. Yeah, so now I know which one to press. You know when I'm drawing on paper, which I'm not good at drawing anymore, you know when I was a kid, I loved drawing so much that I became a very good artist. I can paint a real flower. Actually, I can paint an almost real looking eye. Not so real, but yeah, almost a real looking eye. Do you hear the word called almost? That means I nearly tried a real eye. I actually made my YouTube channel in, I first visited YouTube. I don't remember the year. I'm sorry guys, I don't remember the year. I don't remember the year. Oh, it's just so stupid. Venus there, so there'll be space for little Mercury. We all know Venus is the brightest planet, so its edge blurs. It's going to be 74 or 75. I forgot how many light that Venus reflects. I forgot that, so can you please tell me in the comment section below. So after we make Venus, we're gonna make Mercury. Did you know that not all the bigger the planet is in today doesn't mean it formed first. Mercury is the third in a rocket planet form, and then Mars is the last one. So yeah, see you don't know. We made Mercury. That's so cool. Wait, we forgot the size. Did hey, and actually I kind of did something really silly. By the way, go check out the video called. You know what it's called? I forgot. Oh shoot! Now it's all together. Now we have space for more. Well, guys, last time we were on Sonic topic, and now we're on space topic. Do you know what the next topic will be? Try and guess it in the comments down below. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notifications on. I'll be very happy if you did that. By the way, if you do have an account, subscribe to it. If you subscribe to mine, and tell me in the comments if you subscribed, and I'll subscribe to your channel. Right? That's why I'm very nice. I'm actually a very nice person. We did it. Yeah, we did it. We did a solar system. Now, we want to look at mine. So this was that was the mine I created earlier, but with the moons.